Good afternoon, students. Today we discuss the new chapter. The chapter name is Human Eye and the Colorful World. Today we shall discuss three topics. The topics are construction and working of human eye and power of accommodations. First we discuss construction of eye. Our eye is the most important optical instrument which is gifted by a god. It works on the refraction of light through a natural convex lens made up of transparent living material and enable us to see things around us. So our eye has a eye lens. It's just like a convex lens. Light pass through the front part of our eye and convex lens focus the light into the screen. Here light passes through our eye. That means light passes through one medium to another medium, so the refraction of light takes place. And our eye is spherical in shape and it has a diameter of about 2.3 centimeter. So it is a structure of human eye. We discuss every part of our human eye one by one. It is a spherical in shape and the front part of the eye is called cornea. This is the cornea, and it is a colored part of eye is called iris. And center of the iris, it is a pupil. It has a eye lens. It's like a convex lens. The space between the cornea and eye lens, it is called aqueous humor. It is a ciliary muscle. This holds our eye lens. The first part of our eye is sclera. It is actually surround the entire eye. This is the sclera. It is a protective tough white layer. It keeps the eye in the rounded shape. It is used to protecting the interior component of the eye from injury. Next one, cornea. It is a front part of a eye. It is made up of transparent substance and it is bulging outwards just like a convex mirror shape. This is the cornea. Next one, iris. It is a flat colored ring shaped membranes. It just behind the cornea, so it controls the size of the pupil. This part is the iris. This is the open lid. This open lid is called pupil. Next one, pupil. It is a hole in the middle of the iris. It appears black because no light is reflected from it. It controls the amount of light that enters the eye. This is the open lid. It is a pupil. Next one, eye lens. It is a convex lens made up of transparent and soft and flexible material like jelly made up of proteins. So it is a eye lens. It is held in the positions by suspensory ligaments. Here the light orange color, that is a ligament. The eye lens is connected to ligament and the ligament is connected to ciliary muscles. Here also has a suspensory ligaments. Suspensory ligament is connected to ciliary muscles and another end is connected to eye lens. It changes its shape to focus light on the retina. So just like a convex lens, so it just focuses the incoming light into the retina. This part is the retina, we discuss later. And the important part is ciliary muscles. It is attached to the eye lens. That means it is connected to suspensory ligament and the suspensory ligament is connected to eye lens. It changes the thickness of eye lens while focusing. It may be a contract or relax. So this part is the ciliary muscles. It holds the eye lens in positions and modify the curvature of the lens. I means the curvature of a lens related to the focal length of the lens. R is equal to 2f. We already studied in the previous chapter. The most important part of our eye is retina. So it is behind the eye lens and at back part of our eye. It's just like a screen. The image is formed in the eye lens. Right? The eye lens is focus the object into the screen. That screen is called retina. So it converts this image into electrical signals. It has a large number of sensitive cells that called rods and cones. So cones responsible to the color of the objects. C for color, and rods responds to the intensity of a light. Intensity of a light means dimness and brightness of a light. The function of retina is it generates signals which transmitted to the brain through optical nerves. Next part is optic nerves. The image is focused on the retina. The retina converts this image into electrical signal. So optical nerves helps to carry the signals from retina to the brain. So this is a optical nerves. So it is connected in retina. This is the brown part of the back side of eye is the retina. This is the optical nerves, and another one blind spot. So this is the retina, that is a brown color shade, and this is the optical nerves. At the junction of the optic nerves and the retina, there are no sensory nerve cells, so no vision is possible at that point. Next one, aqueous humor, the space between the cornea and eye lens. This is the cornea, this is the eye lens. This part is called aqueous humor. It is filled with watery liquid and it provides nutrition, example amino acids and glucose to the other part of our eye. It maintains the intraocular pressure and it carries away waste products. If any dust particles placed in the cornea, the aqueous humor clears the dust particle from our eye. Next one, vitreous humor, the space between the eye lens and retina. This space is called vitreous humor. It is filled with transparent jelly-like substance. This blue shade is all the part is jelly-like substance. This jelly is called vitreous humor. It supports the back of the eye. It transmits light to retina. It is also a transparent material, so the light passes through the eye lens and focus into retina. It is also a transparent material.